Hi, Survivor Kid 18 here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a hobo tea kettle with a can and a two or three piece grill top for your hobo stove. Let's get started. Okay, today I have your everyday Wolf brand chili with your everyday drill. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drill 2 holes at the top, because I don't have my tripod, so I have to be very careful. What you're going to want to do is drill 2 holes at the top, and then on the back side drill 2 more holes, so that way you could take the hanger piece and stick them through, so that way you could just set it on and pick it up, and the hanger doesn't get hot, which is cool. So just grab your drill. It doesn't matter where you put the holes, just as long as you make 4. Oh, one other thing, make sure your drill piece is on there good, because you don't want to have a mess up during the video. I'd hate to have a mess up. That's one. Okay, there we have it. We have 2 pierced holes. And then you gotta target it. Okay. Now that you got your marking on it, you're gonna want it's good. Well, we'll take out the paper later, because the paper's gonna do nothing but just make the can hot if it burns, and more than likely make your handle hot. So now, start drilling. Dang. Okay, it's kind of being difficult because sometimes the drill bit will push back in because it's small, and usually we drill with like bigger drill bits, so it's kind of difficult. Okay, just that when you had to apply a little pressure. Yeah, sometimes on this one you gotta unscrew it, then screw it back in to make it tight. Now I'm gonna drill to the next hole. Now that I got my mark. Sorry. Well, as you see, I got it all the way through 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we're gonna do, oh, I forgot. You're gonna take this end piece of the hanger. You don't need that much. Just go through, so that way you can get it. Could have swore I brought my utensil in here. Dang. Oh, yeah, I did. For this one, I don't think it'd be very tough, because I've done it before, but I wanted to try it with nail clippers, see if it works. Dang. It is harder. See if scissors work on this. all you gotta do is make the dent break a lot breakable. Okay, you broke from the point you needed. Now we're gonna do it on the other side. Like, see, I'm using scissors. Use your scissors, grind it down in the middle, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna break. You gotta just, it'll take like a little bit. If you get the crease deep enough, then it'll be alright. And it depends on how long your marking is. Oh, and be careful, don't cut yourself with the hanger, because the piece you cut off from the hanger. Okay, now see, I got the little crease in it. Now just bend one way, bend another, and it breaks. Now you have this piece, your handle. So what you do, wow, this can feels a lot heavier when you don't have it all up in your hand most of the time. Okay, now you should be able to get it through like this. And now that it's like that, all you gotta do is bend these right there. I think I could bend them with scissors. Or no, I know what I could bend them with. I just try it with this, just bang them down. Okay, now you got them bent down and your little handle, so you don't have to get that close to the can, and you can put it on, and you got your homemade tea kettle.